Hey there, welcome to McT Class channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every student's mind: how to pass examinations. In this video, we'll be sharing some simple and effective strategies to help you ace your exams. Whether you're studying for school, college, or any other exams, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and unlock those exam success secrets together. Here are a few brief and simple strategies to help you pass examinations. Start early. Begin your preparations well in advance to avoid last-minute stress and cramming. Make a study plan. Create a schedule that outlines what topics you'll study and when. Stick to the plan to ensure consistent progress. Organize your notes. Keep your study materials and notes well organized. This will make it easier to review and revise important concepts. Practice with past papers. Solve previous exam papers to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions you may encounter. Seek clarification. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers or peers if you have any doubts or need clarification on certain topics. Take breaks. Schedule regular breaks during your study sessions to refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Stay healthy, get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Remember, these are just a few strategies, but they can make a big difference in your exam performance. Best of wishes.